Cassie Dongallo on the other hand, this time, let's see if makakontinue na yung mga atake na yan.
Dongallo making her presence felt again here at set number 4. She has been silent so far, but that's a good sign for the Fighting Maroons.
Bien Bancel with that solid denial. Back to the Frenzo block para dito kay Bien. As substitution on the other hand, familiar move na ginagawa ni Coach Tina Salak. Ipapasok itong si Kyle Pendon as well as si Karil Miranda sa batches connection that is necessary. At ibang flavor naman in terms of setup jobs. Oh, great block! Back-to-back block points here on the side of the UP Fighting Maroons. They're just down by 2 points. Timeout tayo.
Ipas naman eh, ipas.
Kalma. Sinabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi madaling kunin yung 20 points. So ngayon, kung ganyan kataas ang emosyon, walang mangyayari. Focus tayo. Okay, ang atake natin, lahat ng bola, kung sino papasa, dito tayo.
Was powered by Kick. Download the app now. Syempre, if you're Coach Tina Salak, you would really call for that time, especially with those block points na pinakita dito ng UP Fighting Maroons, and all of a sudden, this is down to a 2-point game. Here's with that serve. Miranda choosing Jack. Great pickup galing kay Fernandez. Magkakaroon ng chance ang UP. They go to Kian. 3 consecutive points down to a 1-point game.
That's a huge point for the Fighting Maroons. That will definitely boost their confidence.
Miranda. Sets are wanted set up at chance sa UP. Kian Olamo tying things up at 16.
Kian Olango showing up at the most crucial time for the Fighting Maroons and scoring for her squad.